Okay, my dear listeners and viewers, today I will discuss article. Can you tell me what is article? Yes, article indicates A and D. In other words, we can say that articles refers to A and D. These articles are used before a person or animal or material things or something like that. These articles are used generally before a noun. Okay. Now, my listeners and viewers, you know that article is of two kinds: definite article and indefinite article. I am telling again, indefinite article and definite article. Okay. A and N is called indefinite article, and D is regarded as a definite article. Okay. Now, today I will discuss the use of A and D. Okay. First of all, you know, in respect of meaning, there is no difference between A and N. Okay. But regarding using, there is a little difference between A and N. Now, I am giving the uses of A at first. A is generally used before a consonant. For example, a boy, a pen, a football, etc. Okay. Number one. Number two, A is used to know something which is not fixed, which is unfixed actually. For example, a boy, a man, a pen, etc. Okay. And you know, there are some phrases. So before the phrases, A is used. For example, life is not a bed of roses. Kalam is a man of letters. I saw a number of students reading the novel. Okay. And it is noticeable that if the word is started with vowel and if the pronunciation is like you or wa, then A will be used. Instead of an, we have to use A. If the word is used, if the word is started with a vowel, but the pronunciation is similar to a consonant, in this respect, we have to use A. For example, I saw a European. He reads a university. He went to a union parishad. I saw a one-eyed man. Okay. So these are the instances and uses of A. Now, my dear listeners and viewers, I am telling the uses of N. N is generally used before a vowel. For example, an orange, an educated man, an umbrella, etc. And it is noticeable that if the word starts with vowel, starts with the consonant, but the pronunciation is similar to a vowel, then we have to use N instead of A. I am repeating, if the word starts with a consonant, but the pronunciation is similar to a vowel, in this respect we have to use N. For example, Kalam is an honest man, Maun is an MA, he is an MBBS, he obtained an FRCS degree, etc. So these are the instances of N, and these are the uses of N. Okay. So now, my dear listeners and viewers, I am telling the uses of D. You know, D is used to indicate something fixed, something definite. It may be person, animal, or any material things. For example, the man is reading a paper. The pen is very nice to look at. Okay, number one. Number two, D is also used before the nation. For example, the Muslims are very pious. Okay, and number three, D is used to know something which is only one thing, only one object. In this respect, we can say that if the If there is one thing in the world, for example, the sun gives us light, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, the earth moves around the sun, and it is also noticeable that the is also before, the is also used before the date. For example, he came here on the 25th March. Okay, Kalam went to Dhaka on the 1st January. Okay, now but listener and viewers, the is also used before the superlative degree. For example, Meena is the most beautiful girl in the class. He is the most intelligent girl in the class. Kalam is the tallest boy in the class. Okay. Also, now my dear listener, this is also used before the holy book. For example, I read the Holy Quran daily. He reads the Bible regularly, and so on. This is also used before the sheep or something like that. John, I saw the Titanic. The Titanic. Okay. This is also used before the hill. Okay, or river or something like that. For example, the Mount Everest, the Padma, the Jamuna, and so on. Okay. So these are the uses of the. So let us finish today.